Hello everyone, once again, my name is Lummis Crypto and I'm bringing you this Bitcoin emergency and cryptocurrency update today. And this one is a good one, guys and girls. So finally, the bill from Cynthia Lummis is in, and we're going to take a look at what it means and what it reads and what people are expecting from it and how we can expect Bitcoin to react to it and what's going to be happening in the near future to Bitcoin, etc. So if you're into this kind of stuff and you want to know always spot on and right on time, then click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. And please don't forget to leave me a small token of appreciation and like the video. People say that when you're starting to like videos of Lummis Crypto, your financial situation starts to improve. So check it out and let me know down in the comments if that's actually the case. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into good news. So before we talk about the bill, let's quickly take a look at what's going on in general right here. We'll see that we got rejected. Very nice trade that we've taken with you guys and girls from here all the way up here over on Bybit. Really nice, precise, perfect exit. And currently we are bouncing between $29,300 and $30,000 right here. So if we're gonna go to a smaller time frame, 15 minutes in this case, we'll see a rejection here. From this one and then the rejection from 30K. So we're just basically dangling about and all over the place. And as I told you in the previous video today, and if you haven't watched it, watch it right now and from the beginning and until the end with no skips, and always watch till the end. I know it takes time, but my videos require full attention. So in this instance, what am I expecting currently right now? We have to see whether this channel is gonna actually still hold, and I'm preparing some really cool trades for you guys and girls. If they come to fruition, if you'll see the structures that I'm expecting, I'm gonna notify you ASAP, and certainly we're gonna put them in over on Bybit. And if you want to be trading actively, and so this would also support the channel, then use my link to sign up with Bybit down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment. And if you do that, then it takes like 20 seconds to sign up with Bybit. There is no KYC. Really amazing platform with great liquidity, great trading experience in general, and they were voted as the most transparent exchange back in 2021. So a great experience, and you'll get up to $4,100 in free bonuses on top of your initial deposit, which is cool only if you're going to use my link down below. And also for 30 days, 0% maker fees, and get ready for those awesome trades just like we had this one right here and right here. And also join my free Telegram channel, which is down in the description of this video. Oftentimes I post some of the cool stuff, but they're much faster than on YouTube. So let's take a look at the most important thing of the day. And there we go, guys and girls. Crypto industry scores a big win under long anticipated Senate bill from Cynthia Lummis. And there is the girl. Very nice. Thank you so much. And basically, if we're gonna go down here, then we all been waiting for, because this is the first bill that is gonna lay the foundation and the legal framework for cryptocurrencies to officially enter the financial system, which is insane. Talk about mass adoption. And everybody was very scared of it because, what is it gonna say? What is it gonna outline, etc. So there's a lot of stuff. And the biggest thing, guys and girls, is that they want to give the primary responsibility for crypto oversight to CFTC instead of SEC. And this is incredible. You know why? Because SEC is very tough on crypto. SEC is not friendly, and we know this because they are currently, SEC is starting to investigate Binance and Binance Coin, and also XRP lawsuit that is just dragging on and on, but XRP I think is going to win. And make some noise down in the comments if you're an XRP fan, because I am, and I have a lot of XRP, guys and girls, because I think there is a 90%, not financial advice, but I think there is a 90% chance that XRP is going to win the lawsuit, but probably it's going to happen next year, sadly. So for this reason that they're giving this crypto oversight to CFTC, this is absolutely huge, and it's absolutely incredible in my personal opinion, because, and actually, certainly it does sideline SEC, and Gary Gensler is not happy about it at all. And Gensler argues that most digital assets in the roughly $1.2 trillion market qualify as securities, similar to stock and publicly traded companies, blah, 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 blah. So this is all the whole thing about XRP, and so this is what we've been all really worried about. But the bill from Lummis rejects this claim, asserting instead, this most important part, that most digital assets are much more similar to commodities than securities like oil, for example. And so this is absolutely incredible time right now. This is the pivotal moment, but certainly before you become too happy and before you throw in the towel and say, yeah, Bitcoin to the moon, let's just talk about a few things here real quick. And we have to understand that the bill's introduction, as it says here, and I agree with this, is going to kick off a prolonged legislative process, one that will almost certainly extend into next year, 2023, and likely result in major revisions. So it's something that is going to be changed here and there, but in general, at least at the very start, we're at least getting some good news that it's actually the US government is going to potentially be on our side of the crypto people, which is absolutely incredible. Of course, there's going to be a huge battle of different lobbying parties and crypto lobbyists, lobby groups. So, and I think the crypto lobbying and all the lobbyists are going to get to work like never before. So this is very good, and this is extremely promising, guys and girls. So for that reason, certainly I have some short-term trades that I have prepared that I'm currently watching the market for, and maybe we'll do some altcoin trading as well, maybe some live streams. Let me know in the comments if that's what you want to see, if I'm going to spend some time and some really nice setups. But for the time being, I'm gearing up for some really interesting trades. Really want to see how the market is going to react to CPI report on inflation in basically like 3 days. And so this is what we're going to be looking out for. So just to make it clear, don't expect Bitcoin to just go to all-time high right now because of this bill introduction. It's only the beginning, but it's a great beginning. And let's celebrate this great beginning. And remember that I'm doing a huge giveaway right now. I'm going to link the video somewhere up here. I'm giving away $10,000 worth of stuff in my trading education as well as cash prizes. So if you've been dreaming of becoming one of my students at tomscrollo.com, my 5 months long trading learning programs, but you couldn't afford it because it's not really a $100 course, because it's the best trading education in the world. So this is your chance to win a seat at my education. I'm giving away 3 seats, and also I'm giving away a bunch of cash prizes and other cool stuff as well to my Bybit traders. So if you're a trader, you're my follower, you're trading together with me over on Bybit, and you've used my link to join Bybit again, $4,100 bonus down in the description or in the pinned comment, then you will automatically qualify for this giveaway, which I'm going to be announcing the winners on June 13th. So insane stuff. Enjoy, and peace and love, Tom Scrollo. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.